TripAdvisor. Please like and subscribe. Place to go, things to do. For example, my city, Fargo. So here, gallery. We can read review right in June. Okay, things to do. Must do experience in Fargo. See all. Select date. 24, 30. Tomorrow, next weekend. Apply. Okay, featured 6 results: price, duration, language, and more filters. Price, how to high, low to high, price, high to low, duration, products, walking tours, up to 1 hour, 1 to 4 hours, 4 hours to 1 day, time of day, morning, afternoon, in English, price. Clear filters. Likely to sell out, special offers, free cancellation, wheelchair, show. Fargo City. We can add to favorites. Aged. We can create a trip. Your trip cash $5. Apply toward booking at checkout. Fargo's name. Fargo City Scavenger Hunt excursion by zombie scavenger. Fargo, North Dakota. Use read mode. Use an app to survive a zombie apocalypse in Fargo and zombie. Okay. Book ahead. This book at 8 days in advance on average. Lowest price guarantee, free cancellation, reserve now and pay later. Duration 1 hour. Mobile ticket, live guide, English. The reserve get back here. Fargo City. What's included? All activities, self. What to expect. What to expect during scanner in Fargo. You lose. Description. Departure and return. Fargo, you will receive message before your game instruction how to start. If you do not receive the message prior to starting, please contact multiple meeting. Fargo, you will receive a message before your game with instructions on how to start. If you do not receive the message prior to starting, please contact us. Return to original departure point. The activity ends back at the meeting point. Accessibility, not wheelchair access, tolerance, service, call. You can call. Language options. Additional information. Confirmation will be received at time of booking. This is a private tour activity. Only your group will participate. Cancellation. For a full refund, cancel at least 24 hours in advance of the start date of the experience. Help. If you have questions about this tour or need your help making your booking, we're happy to help. Just call the number and the reference and we can share. See more to explore further. Fun games, parks, family friendly. $20 per group. About the operator. Joined in April. Travel photos, all review, similar experience. Availability. Use an app to survive a zombie. Get 5% back in trip cash. Free cancellation. This is booked 8 days. Choose your trip, time, and 1 option available. And you unsure of your plans, you can reserve a spot and pay it for it later. Just click book now to see more payment. Tap select. We will use information to send you confirmation updates. Last name, first name, phone number, receive SMS updates about your trip booking message. Rates may apply. Free cancellation before May 23. Okay. For example, things to do. Master experience in San Diego. Recommended for you. Tours and activities tailored to your interests. Top attractions. Skip the line tickets. City tours. While watching. Natural wildlife tours. Day cruise. Cars. Culinary tours. Private and luxury. We can select date. 854 reviews. Read. First name. Traveler insights. Please like and subscribe.